renowned tech giant OpenAI is going to make a maiden voyage in the landscape of commercial television marketing by airing its first ever ad during Sunday's Super Bowl. It's reported that the Super Bowl is the world's most exclusive platform reserved for tycoon-caliber advertisers for high-profile marketing. The platform's a gateway to huge return on investment owing to its massive guaranteed audience. To gain access to untapped audiences, OpenAI competitors like Google also featured its AI chatbot's prowess at the Super Bowl last year. Unsurprisingly, the cost of running a 30-second ad during the 2025 Super Bowl is around $8 million. Adweek's chief content officer Zoe Rutterman quoted the figure, indicating a $1 million increase for the same CBS spot, which was sold for $7 million last year. The 2024 Super Bowl gained an estimated 210 million viewers. The 2025 Super Bowl, the 59th since its inception, has been scheduled for February 9th at 6:30 p.m. ET. With Microsoft as its biggest backer and partial owner, OpenAI rolled out ChatGPT in 2022 and secured a jaw-dropping user base of 300 million weekly active users after years. Before venturing into the top-tier advertising space, the ChatGPT maker pulled aboard Kate Rouge, its first chief marketing officer, in December last year, and is in talks to raise up to $40 billion at a valuation of $300 billion to accomplish an exceptional feat in AI advertising.